All right, Average Joe's here doing a comparison between the Galaxy S8 and the Akaso 4K EK7000. Let's see if the Mustang will start. We're going to do a quick walk around. Don't mind the car, it's filthy. I'm holding both the cameras side by side. So here we are, we're going to do a quick walk around. Don't mind the car, it's filthy. Holding both the cameras side by side. So in closing, with this little camera, the EK7000 by Akaso, I did not try out 4K. I have no reason to. I wanted a 1080p camera, which this seems to be a pretty good camera at. The audio on it is alright. I think it'll work fine for what I want. I am not a professional. I don't need professional grade. So for, the $116 that I've got into this and the accessories, I think I'll be a happy camper. Now, side note, both of these cameras were side by side. So the phone and the Akaso were sitting right next to each other, both on tripods. And that's how this whole thing was shot. So while it's not a great review, I didn't have a lot of action or anything like that. It was good enough, for what I want. Again, this is not a professional thing. So leave a comment. I'm sure you'll get to see some more video out of this thing, and I will try to get some action shots and post those up with the two so you can see side by side what they look like. But until then, this is my little review of the Akaso EK7000, just using reference of the Galaxy S8. We'll talk to you guys later. Average Joe's out. Please like, subscribe, comment, and even hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more from Average Joe's Garage.